Hello, everyone! Make a snack bar. Owners of fried chicken shops, milk tea burger shops, and catering kitchens. Today, I'll take you directly to our commercial. The complete production process of stainless steel electric fryer. A reliable commercial fryer. How did it go from a steel plate to a durable artifact in the store? The whole process is real, and there is no virtual label at all. After the shell is installed, enter the core circuit assembly process. You can see the internal regular high-temperature resistant wiring harness, overheating protection thermostat, anti-dry burn safety components. All our lines are ranged according to commercial height hour standards. Install leakage protection, double protection for automatic power failure over temperature. Catering equipment is most afraid of circuit failure and potential safety hazards. The workmanship details can be seen from the internal wiring. Continuous frying for a long time. Stable, non-trip. No burning machine. Each unit is equipped with an independent temperature control knob, power indicator, heating indicator. The double-cylinder model can independently control the temperature left and right. Chicken and chips on the side. Fried fritters. Temperature does not interfere with each other. Double the efficiency of the meal. No more queuing for pots during peak periods. And let me show you the final product. Double-cylinder double-screen electric fryer, standard thickened fried basket net basket. Tina anti-scalding design. Equipped with a sealing cover when idle. Dust and insect proof. Extend the service life of equipment.